think 5th or 6th rodeo I've attended, and the great thing about coming out to these is when you think you know everything there is to know about Hog Technologies equipment, you always find out something that you didn't know.
Just happy to be down here for Hog Rodeo. Got to see some new great equipment, some of the best in the industry. Had water blasters for years from Hog Technologies. Very happy with all their equipment. We're about to see some great trucks work and do some work out here.
Appreciate everything James Crocker has done for our company. The customer service is unmatched. Compared to anybody else I've seen, Hog is doing it right.
Beautiful weather, beautiful everything, beautiful trucks. This place rocks. Our company needs to adopt this atmosphere.
It's a great experience, a lot of fun. It's great seeing people out here, and enjoy coming out. I highly recommend it.
If you ever get a chance to come down to Hog Technologies and enjoy a rodeo, I highly suggest you do so. We've had a great time.